Okay, all of you clear about this part of test? Yes, sir. So kindly remember the time limit of 1 minute. Try to finish your story within a minute.
Friends, I have perceived single character in my story, and he is male, around 22-year-old, in his positive mood. And the theme of my story is visiting the mountain and the hills. And my central character is Pranjal, around 22-year-old, and he has hobbies of drawing and painting. So one day he decided to visit some hills and mountain and connect with nature. So he finally chose a fine Sunday for that, and took his essential elements like painting, brushing, sheets, boards, food, cameras, and so many things, and went to the Darbhanga hill station near there, where he visited, enjoyed, and draw painting over there, and also click some photos as a memory. Returning to the home, I want to add something else in my story, that he met to his some friends, and when shown his painting to them, they appreciate his talent, and then he realized that he has interest in that, and also he should promote his drawing capability and talent further in future in career, not only let it like as hobby. So
friends, from the picture shown to us, I perceived a single character of my story, Sohan, who is 17 years old, in positive mood. Theme of my story is dedication and interest of Sohan. Sohan is from Uttarakhand, Ranikhet. He visited the hills and mountains. He loves the painting. So he goes to the near of a hill and carry her brushes and colors also, and he goes to the hills and painting a scenery and see a wonderful scenery, and after the painting he saw the scenery of her teachers and parents. They appreciated his, and he felt happy.
From picture, I perceive two characters in this story. My central character is Rahul. He is positive mood, and my story's action is participated in running competition. Rahul, 21, was a student of GIC College, Bidhuna. He was a good player, and mostly he participated in school activities, social activities. So one day his college organized a running competition. He participated that competition and started preparation for that competition. So he gets up early in the morning, and he goes for running and exercise daily, and after some time he goes to school for given that date, and he participated, he performs very well there, and finally he wins the race, and his principal appreciated him, and that's all.
I have perceived one character who is a male and whose age is 22, and his mood is positive. So my theme of this story is go for a solo trip. So the main character of my the central character of my story is Ankit, who is a 4th year student of CSE. He came for summer vacation, and he decided to visit his village. So he always wanted to go there for a hilly place. So he packed his bag and take all the essential items with him, and he started his journey. So while walking, he saw a beautiful village near the hilly place. So he visited there. He interacted with peoples and enjoyed there, and played with children, and he continued his journey, and he experienced a lot of things from this journey, and he went back to his home.
In the picture, I have perceived two characters. Both are male and both are 19 years old. One is in the neutral mood and one is in a positive mood. The hero of my story is a boy named Ramesh. His best friend is Suresh. Both of them study in class 12th. One day, Ramesh notices that Suresh has gained a lot of weight. So he tells him the illness which could be caused due to obesity, and advises him to do daily running in order to reduce his weight. But he notices that Suresh was not doing the exercises properly. So Ramesh decides that he would do the exercises regularly in the morning with Suresh. He starts doing the jogging in the morning in a nearby park, and when Suresh was being tired and he was giving up, then Ramesh motivated him, and because of all this, in a month's time, Suresh was able to lose much of his weight. And Suresh was very thankful to his friend Ramesh for helping him so much. I would like to add the point that both the friends decided that they would continue their regular exercises in order to maintain their health.
friends, I perceived two male characters from the story. The mainstay of my story is Rajesh, who is 25, and the action of my story is organizing a football event. Ramesh, the secretary of sports club, told to organize an annual event of football. He then planned with his teammates for the field and went to look for the field, and also given the responsibility to his teammates. Along with that, he invited other college students for participating in that event, and also the chief guest. He also ensured the security and safety for the players, and also consulted a doctor to be there. On the D-Day, the event.
Well friends, from picture shown to us, I have perceived 3 characters in my story. All are male, age group approx 17 to 18-year-old. All are looking positive. Sarthak, 18-year-old, is central character of my story, who is a student of Seth Ramabila Center College. During his summer vacation, when he was enjoying, he got the information that school is going to organize sport activities. Then he goes for take the part in a tennis competition, and also he suggested his friends to take the part in many other activities that is going to held in school sport games. And then he decided to practice. He make an schedule and always follow it regularly, and he also for making his boost up his stamina, he started running, jogging, and skipping the ropes and yoga. And in tennis, concentration is more important, so he started the meditation. And for making his fit, he also added some more points to his meal, like he started eating dry fruits, green vegetables, and all other things also. And he also take the guidance of his sport teachers. And finally he participate in the tennis games and performed well, and he was much satisfied his hard work and dedication. Thank you, friends.
So friends, from the picture, I perceive 2 male characters. Anubhav 18 positive mood is my central character. The action of my story is preparing for the upcoming inter-house school race competition. Anubhav, who is a class 12 student, got to know about the upcoming inter-house inter-school race competition, which is going to be held in the next month. Anubhav voluntarily participated in that from the senior wing of school. He made a proper schedule. He followed it effectively. He woke up early in the morning, practiced with his friend in the nearby park. He made a diet plan. He effectively followed it also. And he also did time trials. The event day came. He performed well the 1600 meter race. And he got praised by his principal and his teachers and his friends. And Anubhav felt satisfied for his effort.
Well friends, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived 3 characters. Ram is the central character of my story, age of 22. The action of my story is forest expedition. Ram is a BSc student. In his upcoming vacations of college, he decided to go to the nearby forest for an expedition. So for this, he convinced all of his friends. He gathered all the necessary materials like rope, knife, matchbox, etc. After that, he also booked a jeep and a guide from the nearby travel and tour agency. After that, finally he reached to the camp venue, made tents and bonfire there with the help of his friends. After that, with the help of guide, gathered a lot of information, saw a lot of different species of plants and animals there. And after that, he and his friend enjoyed it a lot, and he decided to arrange some more such plans in the upcoming time. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived 4 characters in my story. All are male and are teenagers and are in positive mood. Center character of my story is Akash. He is of 18 years and in positive mood. So my story goes like this. Akash has recently cleared his class 12th exam and has got 2 weeks of time before joining the college. So he decided to organize a football tournament, as the football is his favorite sport. So he searched the ground, discussed budget with his friend, and also he arranged a medical team so that in case of urgency, the medical team would work. And also he called his school sports teacher for judgment, and he himself took part in the football tournament, and fortunately his team won the match, and judges awarded him the The toffee.
So well friend, in the shown picture I have perceived two characters. Both are in the positive mood and of age group 17 years and 18 years. Suraj, 18 years old boy in the positive mood, is the central character of my story. And the action of my story, preparation for running competition. Suraj, 18 years old, was a good athlete. He had also one younger brother, and there was a running competition on his younger brother's school. So Suraj had decided to help his younger brother. For that, he made timetable for his younger brother, that when he had to wake up and he had to practice twice in the day. After that, he went to ground with his brother and let him practice in the ground with the time foundation. And he also told his brother that what are the good techniques by which he can run fast within time foundation. And both of them continue this activity for the week, and on the next week the competition took place, and his brother has performed well and get appreciated, and the Suraj feel satisfactory for the appreciation of his brother. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture I have perceived two characters in the picture. Rahul, center character of my picture, 23 years of age, a BSc final year student and a senior NCC cadet. On Friday we went to his training period, where after the roll off he gets instructed of doing our we are going to held a camping because of so for that he was instructed of doing reiki on the camping site. He went there, he inquired about the weather conditions, about safety measures and the water availability criteria. After this, he submitted his report to instructor. After this, on the camping day, he goes to there. He participated or involved in the many training exercises where he was helping his fellow juniors of how to handling the guns and guns properly, as well as how to handle those guns while doing the drill exercises. After this, he was doing the trekking.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have perceived basically mainly one character from this one picture, and my main character is Ramesh, who is 28 years old. His mood is positive, and he has cleared NDA examination. Now he is posted at the post of major. In the leave, he decided to climbing on the Mount Everest. So he firstly took permission by the Nepal government, and after that he has prepared essential things such as oxygen cylinder, bags and many more things. After that he started his journey, and in the midway, about the height of 4,000 meter, here the weather got worse, and after that he took some medicine and continue his journey, and after that he reaches on the top and established the Tiranga and felt very happy and share this experience with his group members.
Friends, from pictures shown to us, I perceived 4 characters. The main character of my story is Ravi, and action of my story is instructing mountaineering. Ravi, a 25-year-old mountaineer from Uttarakhand. He was very good in mountaineering. One day he was told to instruct a group of people in climbing the mountain. He took the responsibility and briefed them about all the rules and regulations, and also told them precautions they have to take during the trekking. He also checked all the items needed in trekking, and finally they started the journey, and in midway he also motivated them whenever they feel tired, and finally they reach at the top, and he successfully bring them back on the camp within a given time, and he was appreciated by his seniors for smooth instructions, and he felt happy with his job.
From the picture shown to us, I perceived 3 characters. All of them were males and were in positive mood. Raghav, who is 18 years old, is the main character of my story, and he is currently pursuing his class 12th. One day, from his teacher, he get to know about a football tournament which is going to be held between schools. He was appointed as the team captain and was told to organize a team. He started his practice with 2 of his members, and gradually his whole team joined him. He did his practice with whole dedication, and when the tournament came, they performed very well, and fortunately they stood first. Raghav was appointed as the best player and was awarded with a trophy. Everybody acknowledged him on his victory of trophy.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived 3 characters, out of which 2 are male and 1 is female. All of them are 17 years old and they all are in positive mood. Ajay happens to be the hero of my story, and the action of my story is going to see a football match. My story goes like this. Ajay was a student of Green Hill School and he was in his classroom at this time. He thought of going to watch a football match between the Apex Club and the Heroes Club. So the football match was going to be organized on Sunday. He approached his 2 friends, Sneha and Aman, to come and ask their permission. The 2 friends told him that they will ask their parents, and the next day the 2 friends informed him that they all got the permission from their parents. So Aman told that they will meet on Sunday at a park which was filled with trees. So they met there and they went to the Mela ground and watched the football match. It was a learning experience for them and they all cherished the day. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived 3 characters from the picture which shown to us. Rahul, 20 years old, a student of graduation.
According to my perception, there is a single man in this story. He is around 30 years old and he is farmer by profession. He is my main character. He is in positive mood, and the theme of the story is planning for good yield of crops. Last year he incurred a loss in farming, but this year he has changed his strategies. This year he has moved to organic farming, and he has also incorporated organic matter instead of fertilizers, and he also resorted to the animal husbandry apart from the farming, and he is hoping for the good yields, and fortunately he had made a gain in this year by selling his goods, and now he is happy with his good planning abilities.
In this story, I perceived one character who was male in positive mood and age around 25 years old. And action of my story is idea of growing the grass. In this, Anand was farmer, belonged to the village of Uttarakhand. One day he went to the grassland for feeding his animals. When he saw that there is a lack of grass, so that therefore animals cannot get proper food from there. He thought that I should grow grass on my field. Another day he went to the market and bought some seeds of the grass and after coming from there sowed that seed throughout the field, and after some week he saw that there is a grass the field was full of the grass, and animals are getting the proper food from there.
Gentlemen, as the picture shown to us, I perceived that there are 2 characters in my story. Both are male and both are in positive mood. Shyam is the center character of my story. He is 22-year old. He is in positive mood and he is a good swimmer. He used to go for an action of my story is rescuing the person from river. And Shyam used to go for a morning walk daily, and one day he saw that the one person is drowning in the river, so he immediately took the rope from his home and tie the rope to the tree and also his vest and ensured the safety, then jumped into the river and caught the hand of the person and take out from the water, and also then push her chest to remove the water.
Hello friends, I have perceived 2 characters in the picture. Both are male and are around 17 years of age, having positive mood. The main character of my picture, of my story, is Ravi, who is a student of KV number 2 AFS Gwalior. His school is going to organize the annual sports day, and for which he has volunteered to become the leader of the marching parade. His sports teacher has selected him because he is a very determined candidate. He gathers his friends and prepares for his role. He shouts his commands in a loud and confident voice, and he practices hard to learn the ability to instill coordination in the group. Later, the day of the sports day came, and he was well dressed and led the marching parade with very energy.
Through the picture, I have perceived mainly 4 characters. All of them are male and in positive mood. The action of my story is going for a small trekking. Rohit, 25 years old, is a student of APS Lucknow. On the weekend, he decided to go for a small trekking. For this, he persuaded his friends, called them, convinced, took permission from their parents, and collected some materials required for trekking, just like rope, compass, map, and small water bottles, and some bags also. He went to nearby hill and had a small training session before starting his trekking. Now they started their trekking, and during the midway of trekking, one of his friends got slipped, or he was losing his grip as he was tired. So he instantly ordered the group to halt, just relax for some time. And after they had a water bottle, took some water, and after that halted for some time. After that, again he commanded his friends that let's go, and he made sure that the harnesses are intact before starting for expedition. At last, finally, they reached the destination at the top and cherished the moment altogether. Next day, when they went to the school, as he was also a travelogue writer, he has written all his journey and narrated on the morning assembly to their friends, and because of this, all friends were excited. And
gentlemen, from the picture, I perceive 2 characters of age 20. Both are male in positive mood. Ram is the central character of my story. Ram, age 20, he was a BSc pursuing student from college. He was fond of running and physical exercise. He daily went for running and exercise in the nearby park of his colony. He daily practiced there with his instructor, and one day his college sports authority announced that they are making a running competition in the college. So he was willing to participate in the running competition. Then he submitted his name and practiced for the running competition and with his instructor. And he practiced very much and how to good perform in the running competition by his instructor. And on the day of running competition, he did well and get the gold medal in the running competition. And he gave this thing and praised that he get good position in the running competition by the instructor practice and his hard work.
Everyone, even they are very happy from their actions in the sports event, and they continued their physical work in the upcoming time.
102 OIR पे वर्क नहीं करेंगे तो गड़बड़ हो सकता है रिजल्ट में. OIR डाउन है, रेस्ट इज ओके, ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस इज गुड, एंड दिस टाइम स्टोरी अभी तक की जो जितनी आपने बनाई थी सबसे अच्छी स्टोरी है, रिलेवेंट है, नेचुरल स्टोरी. गो फॉर द नेचुरल स्टोरी. जैसे अगेन आई विल रेफर स्टोरी ऑफ चेस्ट नंबर 157. अगर स्टोरी की बात करें तो देखिए उसकी स्टोरी क्या थी. दो दोस्त थे, एक उसने दूसरे की हेल्प करी, वो कहीं घुमाने दूर ले गया या कोई ट्रैकिंग फेकिंग, जो काम आप करते हैं ना डे टू डे उससे कनेक्ट करिए, कोशिश करिए. ओके, ट्राई टू कन्वे योर रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस. आप एनसीसी में थे, आप अपनी लाइफ में स्टाइल में जहाँ भी थे वहीं से कनेक्ट करिए, कोशिश करिए. ठीक है, अगर एनसीसी कैडेट कोई है तो वो बना देगा, कोई किसी कैम्प की बात कर देगा. तो 102 ओवरऑल ओके. थोड़ा सा कहीं भी आप कोशिश ये करिएगा कि OIR और बेटर कर ले, बिकॉज आपका OIR अराउंड 3 और 4 के बीच में आ रहा है, तो वो कंसर्न है. अभी काफ़ी OIR की प्रैक्टिस आपको करनी है. ठीक है, इम्प्रूव करिए OIR स्कोर को.
127 इज ओके. आपका और 102 का लगता है सिंडिकेट सॉल्यूशन था, दोनों की सेम स्टोरी, सिमिलर लाइंस. पेंटिंग अगेन यू टॉक्ड अबाउट, स्पीकिंग ओके कॉन्फिडेंटली. यू हैव ग्रोन क्वाइट अ बिट. आई नाउ रिमेंबर व्हेन यू केम फर्स्ट डे टुडे, there's a marked improvement. Keep working on speaking ability. Okay, beta? So you'll do quite well. So I have kept you in the border this time. Slightly more participation should be there.
Today you are leaving? Okay. You're not going to leave? चलो अच्छा ये बताओ कि what all you have learned till now. कितना improvement हुआ है SSB sessions से?
Sir, I have main problem my public speaking. So I joined the daily class dropping this. So I think I improved. But sir, in the OIR session, it is a less than last. But how I don't know, because I'm practicing.
You know your OIR score?
Yes sir, I see that. But
And?
I think
आने के बाद इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है?
Yes.
सीखा है काफ़ी?
Yes.
ओके, बट अच्छी बात, सारी चीज़ें ठीक है, बट ओवरऑल जो आइडियाज़ हैं वो एक्शन पार्ट आपका मिसिंग हो रहा है. तो एक्शन पार्ट में इसको तुम हेल्प करना. इसका एक्शन पार्ट बहुत स्ट्रांग है. तुम्हारा ड्राफ्टिंग ठीक है, यू नरेट वेल और सारी चीज़ ठीक है, तुम लैंग्वेज इंप्रूव कर रहे हो, सीख रहे हो, और लेट मी एक्नॉलेज इन दोनों की मेहनत, ठीक है। मतलब जितना मैं बोलूँ कि आने के बाद ड्रास्टिक इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है, और इट इज़ जस्ट बिकॉज ये OIR को ओवरकम कर देगी अपनी मेहनत और सिंसियरिटी से, ठीक है। सेम ऑल्सो गोज विद 1 to 7 ऑल्सो। तो आप सभी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, बट वो दिखना चाहिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं, बट एकदम स्ट्रैटेजिक तरीके से स्मार्ट हार्ड वर्क करना है, ठीक है। तो लेट मी एक्नॉलेज योर एफर्ट्स, ठीक है, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, ठीक है। 1 to 7 मेहनत करिए, एक्शन पार्ट को और इम्प्रूव करिए, सही हो जाएगा, ठीक है। ओके।